Day trading using this indicator is highly profitable, with a win rate ranging from 80% to 90%. We have tested this indicator using an automated backtesting system on the TradingView platform. If you think I'm just playing a gimmick, then you should watch this video until the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The indicator we will discuss in this video is based on Fibonacci retracement. Before we delve deeper, let's add this indicator to our trading chart. Go to the TradingView platform. Then, navigate to the Indicator Search tab and type IMBA Algo. Choose IMBA Algo from IMBA Trader. For this backtesting session, we will take an example using the gold pair or XAU-USD pair. Now, let's synchronize our chart by going to the pair options and typing XAU-USD. Then, set the time frame to 4 hours. After that, let's discuss a bit about this indicator. As mentioned earlier, this indicator uses Fibonacci retracement as its main basis. Quoting the script from the indicator creator, this line represents the trend line indicating the Fibonacci level 0.5. However, if the candlestick closes above the trend line and a long or buy signal appears, the trend line will change to green, indicating the Fibonacci level 0.236. On the other hand, if the candlestick closes below the trend line and a short or sell signal appears, the trend line will change to red, indicating the Fibonacci level 0.786. In general, you can use this trend line as a guide to identify the market trend. When the trend line is green, it indicates a bullish trend. And when it's red, it signifies a bearish trend. Now, let's move on to the indicator settings. In the indicator input options, you have the flexibility to adjust several settings according to your preferences. Strategy. In the Strategy tab, you can choose from various options. If you opt for manual, you can customize the settings below. However, if you choose Universal 15M, the options below will follow the default settings. Following the universal settings will also affect the win rate and other data. For now, let's select the manual option for this instance. Sensitive. The Sensitive tab provides us with the indicator sensitivity options to set the number of candlestick periods to determine Fibonacci points. In this example, let's set the sensitivity value to 15. Start calculating date. In this tab, we can set the indicator's time period to start automated backtesting. For this setting, let's choose to start from January 1st, 2021. Position. In the Position tab, you can adjust the amount of risk you are willing to take when experiencing a loss. For this example, let's use a 10% risk. Additionally, you can set the break-even target. In this example, let's use the break-even target 1. Deposit. The last setting is the amount of deposit you intend to use. Let's assume for this example, we will use a deposit of $1,000. All these data will be visible in the table on the right. Fixed stop loss. If we activate the option for fixed stop loss, we can set the stop loss risk that we want to use. However, if it's not activated, the indicator will determine the stop loss risk automatically, and usually, the distance can be quite far, resulting in an imbalanced risk and reward ratio. By enabling this option, we have the freedom to set the stop loss distance according to our preference. We can set stop loss using risks like 1%, 2%, and so on. For this example, let's use a fixed stop loss of 2%. Take profit. This is the setting for take profit using good money management. The indicator will automatically use this distribution in each trade. In simple terms, it means that we aim to achieve a profit of around 40% multiplied by the total risk lot we are trading. The profits will accumulate up to the maximum achievable level by the price. For this example, let's use the proportion of 40% for TP1, 30% for TP2, 20% for TP3, and 10% for TP4. RSI. This is the regular RSI, and there will be an indicator on the chart, but only in the form of signals. For this example, we won't activate this tab. Info panel. the info panel provides information about the backtest on the selected pair. We can choose which panels to activate based on our needs. If we only want to see the Show Profit panel, this panel will appear. However, if we activate Show Strategy panel, a panel explaining our strategy setting data will appear. Meanwhile, if Show Old panel is activated, this panel will appear. Then click OK. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this indicator. How to place a buy order. If a green arrow appears above the trend line, we prepare to enter a buy position. Enter the buy position after the candlestick at the arrow's appearance is closed. Place the stop according to the red number that appears. Set the take profit or TP targets according to the green numbers that appear. Sequentially set TP1 to TP4 based on the displayed numbers. How to place a sell order. If a red arrow appears below the trend line, we prepare to enter a sell position. Enter the sell position after the candlestick at the arrow's appearance is closed. Place the stop according to the red number that appears. Set the take profit or TP targets according to the green numbers that appear. Sequentially set TP1 to TP4 based on the displayed numbers. Now, let's look at the backtesting data generated by this indicator based on the settings we applied earlier. From this data, we can observe several key points. 1. The first trade calculated in this backtest occurred on January 3, 2021. 2. The total number of trades in this backtest is 32. 3. The total number of wins during the backtest period is 26, with a total of 6 losses. 4. The trading strategy for gold itself has a win rate of 81.25% during the backtest period. 5. The gold trading strategy has a total of 9 consecutive wins and only 1 consecutive loss. 6. If we started with an initial capital of $1,000, the current total balance is around $1,968.77. As an additional filter for the signals that appear, we can add another indicator to this chart. In this example, let's use the Super Trend indicator to filter trends in the market. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type Super Trend. Then, choose Super Trend from Kivana-Zbilgic. Then, go to the Super Trend settings. In the Input tab, change the ATR period to 20, and also change the source to close. After that, set the ATR multiplier to 10. Next, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, remove all markers and leave only the markers for uptrend and downtrend. Then click OK. If the trend changes from bearish to bullish, make sure that when the buy arrow appears, the Super Trend indicator is also green. If not, cancel the order. Conversely, if the trend changes from bullish to bearish, ensure that when the sell arrow appears, the Super Trend indicator is also red. If not, cancel the order. That concludes our video for today. See you in the next one.